Hey everyone, and welcome to another HT tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to get and download a free dictionary application as well as a Thesaurus application that'll work on your Windows machine. So basically what this is it's an alternative to maybe your built-in, maybe you go to dictionary.com for maybe if you're a student you have a project and you need to look up a few words and define them, etc. Here is a much faster way to find your definition or your synonym. So I'll give you guys the download link. It's a cnet.com or a PC World download, so it's very obviously quite reliable. Just go ahead and paste it in here. So this is going to be the Sage's English Dictionary and Thesaurus. It'll store basically all of these words and all of these definitions and synonyms in only 8.5 megs on your hard drive. So this is really great. It's basically a comprehensive dictionary and thesaurus and is indispensable for students, in my opinion. So in order to get this, just right-click on the link in the description and open it in new tab, and you can follow the audio here. I'm going to hit the download now button, and it'll say thank you for downloading, and in a second it should come up with the download. Here we go, the download window. Open, and that was fast. 8.3 megabytes are downloading already. So let's installer. Alright, here's your installer. We're just going to open the .zip file. And when this is done opening, we're going to exit out of Safari and whatnot. So we just have this. It's just going to be the Sage setup, and it's an application. We're going to extract all files. And we're going to extract it to a place we can remember, something that's not in the way. I have a specific folder for these types of things, so I'm going to save it there. And make sure you check the box that says show extracted files when complete. Hit extract. And when this is done extracting, you should come up with the folder exactly where you saved it. So we're going to scroll down to find exactly the name of the setup file that we just saved it to. So let's look for the Sage setup. Double click on it, and if you don't have UAC, or if you have disabled UAC, it will not pop up. But if you have it still enabled, then it wasn't visible to the screen recorder, but it did pop up. So we're going to hit next to continue with this installation. We're going to accept the agreement. We're not going to put a shortcut everywhere. We're just going to put one in the start menu so we can find it whenever we want. And then to hit install. And I'm just going to pause this video so you guys can come back right when the installing is done. Alright, now it says the Sage has been configured successfully, so I'm going to close this, and it says installation complete. So I'm just going to hit next. And it says it has been installed on my computer, so click finish to run this wizard, and then run the Sage. I left that box checked. So here it is. I don't actually have a full screen application screen recorder going on, but you can see it's very intuitive. If I want to search definitions, I will just search, let's see, catapult. Maybe that's how you spell catapult, and hit the look up button. And here we go. It'll say, did you mean catapult? That's exactly how you spell it. I just double clicked it, and it says bam, it's a noun, and it gives me the exact definition. This is a really sweet application and a great how do I say this? A great alternative to dictionary.com and searching and fishing around. So now also it has the noun and the verb version. If I want to search cat, just hit enter just like you're searching Google, and that was extremely fast. I don't know if you can see how fast it came up, but I will search wiki, bam, and it comes up quite quickly. So that is the application for you. You can also use your internet browser to go online and search. You can search similar words, and you can also look up on double click, which is what I already have enabled. This button here says you can enable Concord Answer. I have yet to figure out what that is, but I will definitely get back to you guys on that software part. And then here we have just basically the definitions. Now up here you have the history of what you searched. I can exit and delete parts of the history if I want, so that's really convenient. And on the right hand side we have a menu button, and if I hover over it, it'll tell me exactly what it does. This is the options dialog. This right here is the information. Yes, this is to view the documentation, tweak the graphical user interface. By the way, this is very customizable. Next, this button is the click to view the information dialog, and last but not least, second, we have the hide it in system tray, which is also convenient. Here is the actual icon down here in my system tray. And up here, all the way on the right, to make Sage the topmost window icon. So there we go. That is basically my limited software review, and I will definitely do a much more in-depth software review of the Sage's English Dictionary and Thesaurus. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any other tutorial ideas for me or software ideas for me to review, even hardware, go ahead and make your suggestion just by subscribing and sending me a message. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace.